Ladies and gentlemen, there is a reason why some people walk into a room and immediately capture attention without demanding it. It's not their title, their position, or even their wealth. It's their ability to communicate like a leader. Leadership is not just about what you do, it's about how you speak, how you express ideas, and how you influence hearts and minds with your words. If you want to rise above the noise, if you want to command respect and inspire others, then you must learn the art of talking like a leader. The way you speak defines how the world perceives you. Think for a moment when you listen to someone who stumbles through sentences, speaks without clarity, or fills every pause with meaningless words. What impression do you form? Do you see confidence or do you sense doubt? Do you feel inspired or do you feel lost? Now imagine a person who speaks with clarity, purpose, and conviction. Their words flow with confidence. Their tone is steady, and their message is clear. Suddenly you see them as someone who knows where they are going. You start to trust them, even before they've taken action. This is the power of words. They shape perception. Leaders understand that language is not just a tool, it is a weapon. Every word has weight. Every sentence has power. When you talk like a leader, you don't waste words. You use them to move people. Instead of saying, "I think this might work," you say, "This is the path we will take." Instead of saying, "I'll try," you say, "I will." These subtle differences transform the way others perceive your strength. But leadership talk is not only about the choice of words, it's also about tone and timing. A leader knows when to raise their voice to inspire action and when to lower it to create impact. They know when silence is more powerful than words. You see, authority is not in speaking the loudest. It is in speaking with intention. Every conversation is an opportunity to build credibility. Leaders practice discipline in their speech. They eliminate gossip, negativity, and hesitation. They speak with clarity, not confusion, with vision, not fear. And over time, people begin to follow not just what they say, but who they are. But words alone are not enough. People do not follow leaders simply because they speak clearly. They follow leaders because those words are backed by confidence, empathy, and authenticity. Confidence is not arrogance. It's not about speaking over others or forcing your opinion. True confidence is calm, steady, and unshakable. It's the kind of presence where your voice carries certainty, even in uncertainty. When a leader says, "We will get through this challenge," people believe it, not because of fancy words, but because of the unwavering tone of conviction. At the same time, a leader must connect emotionally. Leadership talk is not about impressing, it is about connecting. When you speak, ask yourself, are my words making others feel valued? Am I listening as much as I speak? Am I showing empathy, or am I only pushing my own agenda? The greatest leaders don't just talk at people. They talk to people. They don't just inspire action.